that sa siningaga aton ipatuman ang ordinansya sang 08-2013. And sa Chapter 5, Section 69-17, it says that no person shall be allowed to drive or operate any motor vehicle within the City of Victorias without using a muffler or silencer or similar mechanical devices installed in the motor vehicles to reduce or minimize the sound coming from the engine. No, so sa niya mga mufflers, hindi gid ya pwede kay aton kinanglan ipatuman ang lahi. And I would like to commend the PNP for the good work that since June 2020 you have confiscated 320 pieces worth 619,500 pesos. Palakpan po natin ang aton kapulisan. So with this will not only show that we should not have these kinds of mufflers, but it will also show that we should have this to reduce ang ating noise pollution, and it will also show that we should respect the law, respect ang ating mga ordinansya diri sa syudad sa Victorias, and to respect ang ating nga kapulisan kag traffic enforcers. Kabla ko mo, as much as we do not want to waste ang aton nga ini nga mga personal values, but we should once and for all show the public and show Victorianos that we should not go against the law. We should follow the law and we should respect ang ating mga traffic forces kag kapulisan. And with this, we will make sure that these eventual scrap metals and value will be turned into assets for the city. And I would also like again to announce that we are supporting the PNP and traffic enforcers as much as we can. Sa City Victorias, we have allocated funds for 2 new police cars, 4 new motorcycles, and we are also looking to support the newly created Victorias Transport Authority Office headed by our SP and of course the Committee on Transport, on Chair in Transportation and Public Safety, Richard Julius Sablan. We are going to fund and budget it for next year, and you will see that our atong nga prioridad aragid sa pagpatuman sa atong mga lahi kag ordinansya. So we will continue to support you as much as we want you to continue to do the good work and to stand by the leadership of the City of Victorias. Congratulations sa inyo tanan. Magsanyog na ta para sa masanag nga boss damlag naton tanan. Thank you, Gid, and congratulations again, mga aga. Thank you.